such a kind that he has neither sense nor knowledge nor memory. No drunkard sits more unsteadily in a chair, nor more cowardly man carries shield and lance. No more base man ever spurred a horse, no more wicked man ever made verse or song. Nothing is less than him, except that he does not throw stones. I wish that a sword would strike him on the head, and steel darts would pierce his belly, and lances would tear out his eyes. Then we will give him, instead of honor, an old scarlet cap without cords, and his lance will be a long stick. Then he can go safely from here to France. A marquise, poverty and foolishness press you hard, sorrow and misfortune. And you are like the blind man who pisses in the street when he has lost shame and memory. You conquer castles and courts more often than an old woman conquers chickens and capons. And if you were ever frank, now you are a serf without